what's up? It's Mariah, and today I just did this look. It's basically just like my everyday makeup routine that I always do. So yeah, if you want to see how I went ahead and did this, just keep on watching.
I can't stop the love we made.
So for primer, I use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. And I usually just take about that much. And I just rub it all over. And what I really like about this is that it doesn't feel really heavy, but it does have like a silicone feel. So it does blur your pores and stuff like that. It's really good. I highly recommend this one. And then today I will be using the Too Faced Born This Way. It is my favorite foundation. I am in the shade Nude, just in case any of you guys were wondering. And I just take like a pump, maybe like a pump in a little bit, on the back of my hand. And then I just use a blending brush, kabuki brush. I'm not really sure what you call this. And I just blend it all over my face. I will go in with my Wild Makeup Stick Concealer. It's just this little thing. I think I got this at Ulta, I'm not exactly sure. And the shade that I got is 807. So yeah. You just like twist the bottom and it comes up. And I'm just going to be taking that underneath my eyes, my nose, forehead, and chin. And then I just take it's like a foundation brush, but I just use it to blend out my concealer. And just brush it like this. Okay, so after I have that all blended out, I will go in with the contour, which is basically the same thing, but the contour shade. Looks like this. And I have the color 804A. 804A. And I basically just take it around my nose, on my forehead, and sometimes I go right here. And I'll do like this on my neck. And then I take another brush, which is probably like just like a foundation brush. I don't really know. And I just blend it. Okay, so after I do that, I take the Airspun translucent powder with a beauty blender. And I'm going to bake. I'm going to bake everywhere that I put the concealer. Okay. So while this is baking, I always go ahead and I just do my eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using the Kylie XO Burgundy palette. And first I'm just going to be going in with this shade right here, called Penny. Alright, and then I just used a kind of just like a powder brush. I'm really not exactly sure what you would call this, but I always just use this to put down like a base layer before I put on any other colors. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this blending brush. And I'm just going to go in with this lighter color right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and go on the crease with that. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and use another brush like this. And I'm going to go in with a little bit with this color right here that's in the corner. This one is called Almond. Okay. So that's basically what I like to do. And then I like to get like a glitter. I'm probably going to use this one, which is Dubai. I'll probably just use this with my finger like this. And then I just put it on my lid. Like that. And then I just go back in with the same brush with no more powder. And I basically just blend the top of it out. After I'm done using this, I will go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Caramel. And I will just take this on an angled brush. This one is a Sephora angled brush, has a spoolie at the end. And basically, I don't really have to do a lot because I already have like, decent eyebrows. But I just like to make them more defined. So basically, just to really explain it, I go under my brow, like that. And then I go over just like about quarters way, like that. And then I just blend it. Okay. And then I'll just go in with concealer and go under it. And then I go over the top of it. And then I really just like blend out the concealer around it with my finger. And that's that. Okay, so after that, I usually just wipe away whatever I've been baking. So like under my eyes, around my nose, my forehead. And then I've been using this e.l.f. little contouring blush and bronzing powder in like forever. Like I've literally hit pan on it and I use this every day. I've used this since probably a junior in high school. And I'm just gonna take that with, I think this is more like an angled kabuki brush, but I just like using it to like go like this and like just totally contouring it out. I'm gonna take some of that and just put it right here where we put the contour. Like that. And then on a more fluffier brush, I like to use the blush. And so after that, I usually just get like a flat little brush like this. And I like to go at the bottom of my lashes. And I'm just going to go in with this shade called Brick. Okay, and this is the one that I've been loving. It's the Master Chrome one by L'Oreal. And I like a highlight. So basically, I just go in like that. And sometimes if I even want a little more like vivid, I will take my Kat Von D Lock It In Set Spray and just spray it like that. And then put it on. And then now I'm just going to throw on some lashes and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, and we are done. So basically all that I did was I put on my lashes, which are just wispy lashes. And then on my lips, I'm wearing this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in the shade Stripped. So yeah, this is the completed look, guys. Like this video, share it, comment down below if you want to see more of these or what you really want to see. And go ahead and always subscribe. Bye. Love you guys.